about growing plants from seed is that you really have to be patient, because we live in a society where you want that bloom, that instant bloom. You just don't want to have to live through the growing process, but it's something very beautiful about the growing process. Like, look at that. These are zinnias, and that's how they look today. And today is April the 28th, so I have to do a follow-up to let you see what the progress is, but you have to nurture it for it to grow. And everything starts somewhere, right? I love that. So I want to show some of the herbs I'm working on. Like, I have chives, some peppers growing there. Yeah, it's at the very beginning stages, right? It's beautiful. Yeah, I just want to honor that, right? But I think the hardest part is just like when you don't see any growth, is to believe that it's happening. Like, look there. These are petunias. I'm speaking that into existence. These are petunias. And although I can't see them right now, I know that the seed has been planted. And I'm going to do what I need to do to help it grow. So, outside of that, I just wait.